हेलो एवरीवन। क्या आपको भी साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर का इस्तेमाल करना सीखना है? चलिए मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि कैसे आप किसी इक्वेशन को सोल्व कर पाएंगे, कैसे आप लॉग एंटीलॉग निकाल पाएंगे और कैसे आप e टू द पावर x निकाल पाएंगे। चलिए देखते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्लिक ऑन mod and then again mod and then again mod, then equation 1, click on 1. Now there are 3 variables, so click on 3. Now put the value of a1, that is equal to 5, equals b1 equal to 10, c1 30, d1 76, a2 10, b2 30, c 200, d2 243, a3 30, b3 100, c3 354 and d3 851. Now you get value of x is equal to 1.42, y is equal to 0.24, z is equal to 2.21. Actually here they are a, b and c actually. Now let's do the next log. First we have to change mode, math, and then okay, fine. Now we have to find log 10, so click on log and then 10, then equals 1. It's also working. Now you have to find antilog. Maximum people don't know and what is actually antilog equivalent to. Antilog actually equivalent to 10 to the power x. So let's do it again. We have to find antilog 2.845. so click on shift and then log, that is 10 to the power, and now 2.845. Click on it, that is 699.84. that's equivalent. It's proved. Now we have to find log e to the power 2. so first of click log and then shift and then function e to the power x. so click on this e to the power and then click on 2. here is 2. so let's check the value 0.868. so it's